Being a socially and environmentally concerned company, this is the least that we can do by giving back to the community and to the environment. So we hope that this program will benefit the environment and the social community as well. So thank you to UMT, thank you to IPC, thank you to everyone for this contribution.
Marine Awareness and Coral Restoration Workshop is actually the first workshop series that we organized in 2024 to try to bridge the gap between the industry and ocean sciences, because we want to increase the ocean literacy of the public, especially in this year. We try to increase the awareness of industry partners on the marine awareness and what are the issues that pertaining related to ocean sciences.
In the course of this 3 days 2 night program, we have arranged a variety of activities that suited the marine conservation and marine awareness efforts. Participants of this program learn theoretical aspects and also hands-on aspects on marine restoration program, habitat monitoring, as well as some part on marine turtle conservation. This program also is supported by the involvement of Department of Fisheries Malaysia, especially the Marine Park Department.
I'm very thankful for IPC for giving me this, my colleagues and I, this opportunity to visit this coral reef restoration. It's indeed very eye-opening. So what I've learned throughout the classroom sessions, first is on how the coral reef restoration, the process. So what I understood is it must be from hard coral.
Such an eye-opening experience. Personally, this was my first time doing my scuba diving. I really love marine life, and I was so happy because I am an animal lover, and the creatures in the water is very beautiful and colorful. I really love it, and this is my life.
This collaboration between UMT and International Petroleum Corporation is part of our commitment in achieving the global agenda of sustainable development goals.
For this program at Pulau Redang, it's a good exposure for the marine awareness, especially for those yang biasa bekerja di office, jarang keluar. Throughout my involvement with this UMT since 2020, we already deploy a few artificial rigs to support the growth for the marine life and also the reef conservation. For the next 5 years, we can continue expand to reef cleaning.
On behalf of our UMT team, we would like to convey our huge appreciation to the International Petroleum Corporation for their undivided support to our marine conservation project for future sustainability.